गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस शुभ प्रभात वेला में आप सब लोगों के अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की मंगल कामना करता हूँ। टुडे वी शैल डिस्कस समथिंग अबाउट इनपुट क्रेडिट अवेलेबल in GST. I may bring to your kind knowledge a very clear concept that input of GST on capital goods shall be available only and if only the capital asset has been used in the business and for furtherance of the business. In case the capital goods are used in a business which is exempt from GST, again the input credit shall not be available, but there is a difference. In case the supply of goods are covered under zero rated supplies, I mean zero rated supplies, you shall be entitled to avail GST input on the capital goods purchased by you to be used in the business and for furtherance of the business. And same is with the raw material and other items. In case the said items are used in business and for furtherance of the business, input credit of GST shall be available. So we should be very clear while taking input of raw material and input on the capital goods purchased and used in the business. The main concept to be seen is it must be used in the business, and that too a business product of which is taxable under the GST Act. However, a special exemption is given in case of zero rated supplies.